Hello guys, most of them get answer 22 for this problem in wrong way. Do cancel this. Here we'll get 2. So 99 divide by 9 times this 2. Here do this. 99 divided by 9 is 11 times 2, which is 22. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS and KCF rule, this is wrong. Here multiplication, this is division, both are equal priority. We have to follow here left to right rule in the problem. Also we have to include this KCF rule. Now we are going to do this problem by using this KCF rule and order of operations PEMDAS. Now here 10, this is 5. Now we have division and multiplication. We have to do this left to right because both are equal priority. As per this left to right rule, we have to do this left to right. In this, we are going to introduce this KCF rule. KCF means K for keep the first one, 99, change the second one to multiplication, flip the third one, which is 5 by 9. This is KCF times this 10. Now do simplify this. We'll get here 11. 11 times 5 is 55 times this 10. Now 550 is the correct answer.